So our project today is to replace two Solera solar panels. This is our 325 CMP 325 watt solar panel, and these are two Soleras that are each 150 watt each, and we're going to replace these with one of our 325 watt panels. So that's our challenge for today. We have found that this panel produces about a little over 10% more than the Solera panels. So the first thing we're going to do is take up the Solera panels and make space for the new panel. And so we're going to go through the process of installing a 325 solar panel. But first, let's talk about some preparation. The way we're going to install this 325 watt walk-on semi-rigid panel is to mount it with two J extrusions on each end. And under the panel we're going to place a layer of twin wall polycarbonate. So the panel is 4 meters in width, and we're putting 6-meter twin wall polycarbonate under it. Now this is a fluted material. I will zoom in here a bit. So it will allow some air under the panel and will make the panel operate at a cooler temperature. Now, why is that necessary? Well, I'm going to show you. If we move the panel over and we zoom in, we can see the degradation in the fiberglass. Hopefully it'll show up on this video, where the fiberglass is actually kind of pocked and starting to fail from the heat of the solar panel. Now this boat was in Florida for a number of years, and so the solar was very hot coming through to the fiberglass, but it has done some fiberglass damage. So what we're going to do then is put this twin wall polycarbonate under it. You can see the layer here, and that will cool the panel and will also cool the deck. Now we're going to use these J extrusions, as you can see, that will handle the 10 millimeters of solar panel plus polycarbonate. And we've applied a layer of double-sided, very high bond tape to the back of the J. Now this will hold the entire unit in place. We can put a few securing screws in, but I don't think it'll be necessary on this flat deck. So here's a piece of the twin wall polycarbonate as it comes. You can see the fluted, almost like a cardboard fluting. It's very light material and very, very strong material. So we're going to peel off the two covers on each side. One side of this is UV protected and the other side is not. I'm not sure it matters since it's going under the solar panels.